Hello everybody, it's G-Bear at G-Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. Got my water delivery here. It's going in right now. Got the unit over the top there. We'll go up the stairs, take a look. Already added my chlorine, so that's all set. And let's see if we can see anything here. Oh yeah, it's coming in. Lots of water. So the tank was almost empty when he started pumping. And I got the caps off the first and last barrel so I can see the water coming up. And it's moving just like it's supposed to. So once we finish filling the tank up here, we'll move on down the line and put whatever's left in the truck down at the garden house. So far it looks like everything's working the way it's supposed to. I did get my new pump connected yesterday, and there's the sealed units. So my watertight connections should be a lot better this time than they were the last couple of times. I like this method a little bit better. I know it's not real pretty, but who cares? It's going to be hanging in the tank. Nobody's going to see it. All right. Well, I'm not going to bore you standing there watching all the water just run into the tank. So I'll cut this one short and I'll do a part 2 when we move on down. G-Bear signing off.